was written by...
My name is Jude. My name is Cruz. My name is Natalie. My name is Alex. And this is our story.
And it is called The Adventure of the Axolotl.
And I'm an axolotl alien who works for NASA. But right now, I'm on vacation on Pluto in my UFO. I'm lonely, and I want a stuffy because I'm miniature and no one ever sees me.
Oh, sorry, I didn't see you.
I'm an octopus called Shark Boy, and I think that UFO is gonna try and destroy my planet Pluto. I better send a shockwave before they can do anything. No! Shockwave! Now we're on Mars! Well, yeah, I had to teleport you before you did something to Pluto. I was on vacation! Oh, really? Yes. I'm so sorry. Now we have to repair my ship. Here, I can help. I've got some clay and some metal. Yeah, I'll just put some ink in it.
Why, howdy there. I am Stuff Fluff, the Ox Boss. And say, I got this stuffy here. Would any of you want it?
Yes, me! I want it, yes!
Yeet.
Thank you! Wow! Hi! I'm gonna hang you up in my home! Well, have a safe trip back. Thanks!
I am a giant axolotl! My name is Darth Gan Gan!
Wow, you're so big! I feel faint!
Wake up! Wake up!
Spark! I have something to say to you! Do you want to be my friend?
Yes!
Awesome sauce!
The end!
Are the story